Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be going over my wash and go routine. So I am high porosity, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Texture ID styling cream. Texture ID styling cream. And then I got my handy dandy Wetline Extreme Gel. I have already put leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and that is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, aka crack for your hair. And then I'm also going to be going in with my oil mixture because I do the LOC method, which is a leave-in oil cream. As far as moisturizing my hair, since I am high porosity. And I'm just gonna start rambling and all that good jazz, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get on into it. I start with parting my hair into 4 sections, and then I just add my products, so you guys can just continue to watch. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So, like I said, I already have leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. And then I am just gonna go in with my oil mixture, my cream, and then just my gel to help hold in all that moisture and definition and all that good jazz. Okay?
never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand.
Okay, so I'm done, and I just have to say that I trimmed my hair recently, and I can definitely tell a difference as far as just how my curls and my hair absorb the product, how my curls look, because let me tell you something. Juicy, popping, okay, all that. So it's definitely important to make sure you listen to your hair. I gave myself a little rice treatment, which is like a light protein treatment if you don't know. So I did use rice water recently. So I used rice water, I deep conditioned my hair, and I trimmed my hair. And I know my hair isn't dry, but I mean, come on now. Hold on. Let's be real. Look at my curls. We're not gonna sit here and disrespect my hair like that, okay? We're not even gonna disrespect the curls like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dry my hair and all that good jazz, and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like after it's all the way dry, and then I will stretch it all the way out, and then yeah, I'll show you guys the finishing results. Okay guys, I am back, and this is my finishing results. I never really had bangs before, but I guess that's what we're gonna try out today. But I'm really feeling it. I'm gonna show you guys the back. And yeah, so this is my hair. And I just gotta say that my curls are popping. Okay, if I could just get it out of my eyes just a little bit, I'll be happy. But there we go, that might be a little better. That's a little better. But yeah guys, this is the finishing result. This is why you should definitely make sure you are doing your protein treatments and deep conditioning and also trimming, because let me tell you something, my curls, y'all see how, look at that, boing, okay, boing. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. That is my wash and go routine. If you have any questions or anything like that, make sure you comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.